नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत की यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 3 दिसंबर के इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स। शुरू करने से पहले दोस्तों मैं 4 लाइनें आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ। ज़मीर जिंदा रख, कबीर जिंदा रख, सुल्तान भी बन जाए अगर तो दिल में फ़कीर जिंदा रख, हौसलों के तरकश में कोशिशों का वो तीर जिंदा रख, हार भी जाए जो ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ, हार भी जाए जो ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ, मगर फिर भी जीतने की उम्मीद ज़िंदा रख। तो दोस्तों आइए शुरू करते हैं आज किसी पॉजिटिव फीलिंग के साथ। आज का 3rd सेशन 3 दिसंबर 1884। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, a great freedom fighter, teacher, lawyer and the first president of India, was born in Ziradei, Bihar. In his starting career, he was the professor of English at Langat Singh College at Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Later, he became its principal. He studied law and was a gold medalist in Masters in Law examination at University of Calcutta. He did his doctorate in law from Allahabad University. British authorities sent him to prison during Salt Satyagraha, which happened in 1931, and Quit India movement of 1942. He was elected as President of the Constituent Assembly of India, which prepared Constitution of India from 9th December 1946 to 24th January 1950. In 1950, when India became Republic, he was elected as India's first President from 24 January 1950 to 13 May 1960. During his presidency, he focused on development of education in India. एंड दोस्तों ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है याद करने के लिए कि ही हैड बीन द लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग इंडियन प्रेसिडेंट फॉर 12 years. ही बिकेम द ओनली प्रेसिडेंट who served 2 full terms. He was also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1962. He authored the following books: Satyagraha at Champaran in 1922, Division of India, आत्मकथा बापू के कदमों में। दूसरा पॉइंट 3 December 1889, Khudiram Bose, a famous revolutionary and freedom fighter, was born on this day in Midnapur, West Bengal. He was the youngest revolutionary of India. He, along with other freedom fighter Prafulla Chaki, tried to assassinate magistrate Douglas Kingford, a British judge. He was arrested and sentenced to death. Khudiram was 18 years old at the time of hanging, making him one of the youngest martyrs of independent movement. The youngest Indian freedom movement martyr was Baji Raut, killed when British police shot at him at the age of 12. Next point 3 December 1971 दोस्तों इस दिन इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर began. National emergency was declared by the President of India. War started when Pakistan launched air strike on 11 Indian air bases. War lasted in 13 days from 3rd December to 16th December, making it one of the shortest wars of history. Result of the war was surrender of then East Pakistan Military Command to Indian Army. Pakistan's Lieutenant General Niazi, along with 93,000 troops, surrendered to the Indian Army in Dhaka, making it the largest surrender after World War II. ये बहुत important point है. It marked the formation of East Pakistan as a new nation, Bangladesh. Sam Manekshaw, India's most decorated military officer, famously known as Sam Bahadur, was the chief of Indian Army at that time. 3rd December 1971. Next point दोस्तों, Lance Naik Albert Eka achieved martyrdom in the Battle of Hilli in India-Pakistan 1971 war. He was posthumously awarded Paramveer Chakra, highest gallantry award. 3rd December 1979. Dhyan Chand, India's greatest hockey player, passed away on this day at the age of 74 in New Delhi. He is also known as the Wizard and the Magician and Major Dhyan Chand. National Sports Day is celebrated on his birthday in his honor on 29th August every year. He served in the British Indian Army from 1922 to 1956. Because of his game, India won 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Dhyan Chand played international hockey from 1926 to 1949 and he scored 570 goals in 185 matches. German's Hitler was so impressed with Dhyan Chand's hockey skills that he offered him German citizenship and rank of colonel, but Dhyan Chand refused. Dhyan Chand's autobiography name is Goal. In 2002, Government of India instituted Dhyan Chand Award, which officially known as Dhyan Chand Award for lifetime achievements in sports and games. अभी तक total 75 athletes have been awarded Dhyan Chand Award so far. Next point, 3rd December 1992, International Day of Person with Disabilities was observed first time on this day. Its objective was to promote understanding of disabilities issues, to generate support for the rights, dignity and well-being for the person with disabilities, to promote awareness on disabilities issues, to educate as to what societies will gain by integrating the person with disabilities in every aspect of life, such as political, social, economical and cultural, to celebrate the achievements and contributions by person with disabilities. तो दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज का ये सेशन आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल रहा होगा। कल मिलते हैं ऐसे और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के साथ। पढ़ाई करो की टीम की तरफ से गुड लक एंड थैंक यू।